Hey everyone, Joe Buck here from the Harris Used Car Supercenter here in beautiful Nanaimo. Come take a look at this 2015 Toyota 4Runner that we just took in. So there's only 148,000 kilometers on this unit. These tires look fantastic and they are M&S rated. Now this is the limited model, so it's got leather, sunroof, and all sorts of goodies. Let me take you inside. Spacious cargo area here, and as you can see, it's got the 120 volt plug in there, and there's a switch on the dash to turn that on, and those rear seats do fold down in case you need more space. Now I'm short, so I'm a poor example, but there's tons of space in these back seats. A couple cup holders, and beyond on the console here, you've got a couple plugins down below as well for those in the rear. So there's that button to turn on and off that 120 volt plug-in in the back, and that button there will turn off the backup sensors. As we said, only 148,000 kilometers on this unit. Nice big touchscreen radio with navigation, the backup camera, and your full radio controls. You have dual zone climate control because, of course, you know, the driver and passenger are never the same temperature, along with heated and cooled front bucket seats. The 4x4 switch with, of course, 4 high, 4 low. And one of my favorite buttons in these vehicles right here is for the sliding rear window. There, now you can see it in action. That's just fantastic to provide some extra airflow to these vehicles. So, if this is the right SUV for you, come on down, 4100 Wellington Road. Ask for Joe. Be more than happy to show you that Toyota 4Runner or any of our other fantastic vehicles. We've got cars, trucks, sedans, vans, you name it. Come on down.